Assalamualaikum friends. Today we will solve this integration which says that integration from minus L to L cos m pi x over L cos n pi L over x dx is equal to 0 if m is not equal to n, and this integration is equal to L if m is equal to n. When m is not equal to n, then this term becomes equal to 0. When m is equal to n, then this integration becomes equal to L. So we have to show these two cases. First, we will solve this integration when m is not equal to n. So, if m is not equal to n, then let's consider that integration minus L cos m pi x L cos n pi x or L dx, this is equal to I1. So, I1 is equal to minus L to plus L cos n pi x L cos n pi x L dx. I have to apply a trigonometric relation which is equal to 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. I have to apply this relation to this equation. For this, I need to apply and divide this equation by 2 because here is 2. So, I need to multiply and divide by 2. So, this will become equal to I1 is equal to half integration minus L to plus L 2 cos m pi x over L cos n pi x over dx. I can write this equation as I1 is equal to half minus L to plus L cos m plus n pi x over L plus cos m n L pi x over L dx. Now I have to integrate these two terms. This integration will apply to this term and also it will apply to this term. So after integration we will get I1 is equal to half sin m plus n pi x L divided by m plus n L, and limits are from minus L to plus L, plus sin m minus n pi x L divided by m minus n L minus L to plus L. Here if we look at this equation, m plus n and m minus n are integer. So the summation of m plus n and m minus n is also integer, and we know that sin pi x or sin n pi is equal to 0. So this term will become equal to 0 because m plus n is integer and sin n pi is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. So I1, which is equal to integration minus L to plus L cos m pi x L cos n pi x L is equal to 0. So when m is not equal to 0, then we will get this integration equal to 0. Now we will consider that if m is equal to n, then the given integration will be equal to L. We have to show this. Let's suppose that I2 is equal to integration minus L to plus L cos m pi x or L cos n pi x or L dx. So here we will put that m is equal to n. By putting this, we will get I2 is equal to minus L to plus L cos m pi x or L cos m pi x or L. So this is equal to m pi x or L, and this is also equal to cos m pi x or L. So this will become equal to cos square m pi x or L. So I2 will be equal to integration from minus L to plus L cos square m pi x or L dx. Here to this equation we will apply a trigonometric relation which is equal to Cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. We will apply this relation to this equation. So we will get I2 is equal to minus L2 plus L1 plus cos 2 m pi x L divided by 2 dx. So I can write this equation as I2 is equal to minus L2 plus L dx over 2 plus half minus L2 plus L cos 2 m pi x over L dx. In the previous lecture, we have shown integration of cos 2 m pi x over L is equal to 0. So this term is equal to 0 and we will integrate only this term. So after integration, we will get I2 is equal to x over 2 minus L2 plus L. Now I have to put the limit. After putting the limit, we will get L by 2 minus L by 2. This minus and this minus will become equal to plus. So I2 is equal to L by 2 plus L by 2, which is equal to 2L by 2, and I2 is equal to L. So the integration is become equal to L. We consider that this integration minus L2 plus L cos m pi x over L cos n pi x over L dx is equal to I2 and I2 is equal to L. So this equation is become equal to L when m is equal to n. So this is something about this integration. Thank you.